Good morning students. In the previous session we have completed practice set 33. In that we have solved sums based on addition of algebraic expressions. Now today we will start with practice set 34. In that we have to solve sums based on subtraction of algebraic expression. So first I will explain you how to do subtraction of algebraic expressions. Then we will start with practice set 34. So first we will start with the example. So as you can see here, this is the example, subtraction of algebraic expressions. Example, subtract the second expression from the first. You will subtract the second expression from the first expression. So the first expression is 16x plus 23y plus 12z. And what is the second expression? That is 9x minus 27y plus 14z. So first we will do it in horizontal arrangement. And the same sum we will solve in vertical arrangement also. Horizontal arrangement and vertical arrangement you will get the same answer. But no need to do both the methods. I will just explain you horizontal arrangement also and vertical arrangement also. What is comfortable for you, that you will solve. Okay, no need to do both the methods. So let's start now. First we'll start with the horizontal arrangement. So this is same as addition of algebraic expression, only the signs you will do it properly. Okay, you will write down signs properly. In addition we are writing plus sign, in subtraction we will write down minus sign. Okay, so first we will write down the algebraic expression in the bracket. As you can see here, this is the first expression and this is the second expression which is given in the question, right? And in between you will write down minus sign. See this, you will not write down plus sign here. You will not write down addition sign as we are doing subtraction of algebraic expression. So you will write down minus sign. Okay, hope you are clear with this first step. So in the first step we will write down both the expressions in bracket and in between you will write down minus sign as we are doing subtraction. If you are doing addition, then you will write down addition sign, that is plus sign. Now the second step is we will remove the brackets. Okay, now in subtraction, while removing the bracket, in the second bracket there is a change in the signs that I will tell you now. So see here, this first expression we are written as it is 16x plus 23y plus 12z. Now see here, this sign is minus, so here it is minus. 9x we are written as it is. Now see here, which sign is there? Minus sign. So in the subtraction, when we are removing the bracket, the second bracket, the signs inside the second bracket will change. The minus sign it becomes plus and the plus sign it becomes minus. Why these signs will change? Because outside the bracket there is a minus sign. So minus minus it becomes plus and minus plus it becomes minus. So inside the brackets the signs will change. Minus sign you will change it into plus and plus it becomes minus. Okay, hope you are clear with this. So in the second step you will remove the bracket. First bracket you will write down as it is, no sign change in the first bracket. Now in the second bracket the signs inside the bracket will change. If there is a minus sign you will write it as plus. If there is a plus sign you will write it as minus. Why? Because outside the bracket there is a minus sign. So minus minus it becomes plus and minus plus is minus. So as you can see here, this 9x you will write down as it is and here it is minus sign, so here it is minus sign. Now 27y, before 27y there is a minus sign. Outside the bracket there is a minus sign. So minus minus this is plus 27. That's why we are written here plus 27y. When we will remove the bracket, you will change the sign which are inside the brackets. Now here it is plus and outside the bracket there is a minus sign. So minus plus is what? Minus. That's why we are written here minus 14z. Hope you are clear with this step. Now we have completed first and second step. In the first step what we did? We have written the question, that is algebraic expression. Both the expressions we have written in the bracket and in between minus sign. Yes, as we are doing subtraction. Now in the second step we will remove the brackets and we will write down. Okay, but while removing the bracket, first bracket, that is first algebraic expression, we will write down as it is, no sign change for the first algebraic expression. Only for the second algebraic expression you will change the sign inside the bracket. If inside the bracket if there is a minus sign, it becomes plus, and if there is a plus sign it becomes minus. Now the next step is, yes, I hope you remember the next step. As we are doing in addition, what we are doing, the next step, that is, yes, we will write down the like terms together. Now here also we will write down the like terms together in the bracket. Okay, so 16x, which is the like term for 16x, that is minus 9x, and while writing the like terms together you will write down that like terms with their signs. So 16x minus 9x. Yes. Now the second like term is plus 23y. So here in between we will write down plus sign. Why I have written here plus sign? Because 23y, what is the sign for 23y? That is plus. So here we will write down plus 23y, and which is the like term for 23y? That is plus 27y. So here it is plus 27y. Okay. Now which is the next like term? That is plus 12z. So here it is plus 12z, and the like term for plus 12z is minus 14z. So here it is minus 14z. Okay. You will write down like terms together in a bracket, but write down proper sign. Okay. While writing the like terms together, you will write down that like terms with their signs. Now the next is, yes, now we will solve the brackets. 16x minus 9x. Yes, 16x minus 9x. What is the answer? Correct, 7x. So the answer is 7x. Now which sign is there? Plus. That we will write down as it is. Now solve the second bracket. Yes, first bracket we have solved. So what is the answer? 7x. Now we will solve the second bracket. 23y plus 27y. Do the addition. 23y plus 27y is 50y, 50. So 50y. Now we will solve the third bracket. 12z minus 14z. Yes, 12z minus 14z. What is the answer now? Here the answer is minus 2z. Why minus 2z? Yes, what is the bigger number sign? 12 and 14. The bigger number is 14, right? So the bigger number sign is minus. That's why the answer is minus 2z. And outside the bracket there is a plus sign. So plus minus it becomes, yes, minus. That's why we are written here minus 2z. You will not write down plus 2z. Why? Because inside the bracket here we got 12z minus 14z, that is minus 2z. And outside the bracket what is sign? What is the sign there outside the bracket? Plus. So plus minus it becomes minus. So minus 2z is the answer for the third bracket. Now I hope you are clear with this. So what is the answer? 7x plus 50y minus 2z. Okay. Once again we will revise. So this is the first step. In the first step we will write down algebraic expression, both the algebraic expressions in the bracket, right? And in between minus sign, that is subtraction sign, as we are doing subtraction of algebraic expressions. Now in the second step we will remove the brackets, but in the second bracket, while removing the bracket, in the second bracket the signs will change. Means this minus it becomes plus, and this plus it becomes minus, and this we will write down as it is, as you can see here. Now next step is what? We will write down like terms together with their signs. Okay. So 16x minus 9x. Then second like term is 23y plus 27y. And the third like term is 12z minus 14z. So 16x minus 9x, the answer is 7x. 23y plus 27y, the answer is 50y. And 12z minus 14z, the answer is minus 2z. So here it is minus 2z, because outside the bracket plus sign and inside the bracket we got minus 2z. So plus minus it is minus, that's why minus 2z. So the answer is 7x plus 50y minus 2z. Okay, hope you are clear with this. Now we'll start with same sum. These only example we will solve now in vertical arrangement. Okay, now this is the vertical arrangement. So first we will arrange this algebraic expression vertically. Okay, so what is the first expression? As you can see here, this is the first expression, 16x plus 23y plus 12z. Below that we will write down the second algebraic expression, that is 9x minus 27y plus 14z. And here 9x, there is no sign for 9x, so that is, it means it is plus sign. So here we are written plus sign. Now as we are doing subtraction, so we will write down here minus sign, as we are doing here subtraction of algebraic expression. So here it is minus sign. Now the next step is, now see here, this is plus sign. What is the sign for 9x? That is plus. So this plus and this is minus, so plus minus it is minus, so here we are written minus. Now see the second term, that is minus 27y. The sign for 27 is minus. Now this minus and this minus, it becomes minus minus plus, so we are written here plus sign. Now see the third term, that is plus 14z. What is the sign for 14z? That is plus. So this plus and this is minus, so plus minus is minus, so we are written here minus. Okay, hope you are clear with this. So first we will write down this sign changes here down and then we can do. Okay, so in the first term, here it is minus, as plus minus minus, so here it is minus. In the second term, minus minus, it is plus, so we will do here addition. And in the third term, plus 14z, plus minus minus, so here we will do minus, that is subtraction. Now let's start now. Okay, so now we'll solve this. 16x minus 9x, so 16x minus 9x is 7x, right? Now 23y plus 27y. Now here, see here we will follow these signs. Okay, first we will change the signs and we will write it here, and as per these signs we will do addition and subtraction. Now 23y plus 27y, so 23 plus 27y, that is 50y plus 50y. Now third term, there is a minus sign, right? See here this sign. So here we will do 12z minus 14z, subtraction. Now 12z minus 14z is, yes, minus 2z, bigger number sign, that is minus, so minus 2z. So what is the answer? 7x plus 50y minus 2z. So this answer is same as we are done in horizontal arrangement. Here also we got the same answer, right? So your answer is correct. 7x plus 50y minus 2z is the answer. Okay, horizontal arrangement, vertical arrangement, both the ways you will get the same answer. If your answer is matching, means you are getting the correct answer. Okay, now we will start with the practice set 34. So this is practice set 34. Subtract the second expression from the first one. Okay, you will subtract the second expression from first one. Right, now see the question. The first sum, what is the first expression? 4xy minus 9z, and the second expression is 3xy minus 16z. Yes, so what is the first step? We will write down both the expressions in bracket, and in between we will write down minus sign. So 4xy minus 9z minus, in between minus sign, and the second algebraic expression, that is 3xy minus 16z. Now we will remove the brackets. Okay, so in the second step we will remove the brackets. 4xy minus 9z, this we will write down as it is. Only for the second bracket, the signs inside the bracket will change. So here it is minus sign, that we will write down as it is. As you can see here, minus, here also this is minus. 3xy, 3xy, right? Now here it is minus 16z. Now see here, minus 16z. Now it becomes plus 16z. Okay, why? Because outside the bracket there is a minus sign, and inside the bracket there is a minus sign. So minus minus, it becomes plus. So here we are written plus 16z. You will not write down minus 16z, as outside the bracket there is a minus sign, so it becomes plus. So minus minus is plus, plus 16z. Now in the next step, yes, we will write down like terms together. 4xy and the like term is minus 3xy. So that we will write down together in a bracket. 4xy minus 3xy. Yes, now see the second like term, that is minus 9z and plus 16z. So plus 16z minus 9z. So while writing this, first you will write down the bigger number, that is plus 16z. Yes, and then minus 9z. So here outside the bracket plus. Why? Because 16z, what is the sign for 16z? That is plus. So we are written plus outside. 16z minus 9z. Okay, while arranging the like terms, try to arrange it properly, bigger number first, then the smaller number. Okay, so 16z minus 9z. Now as we have written this 16z minus 9z, now we will do this 4xy minus 3xy. So 4xy minus 3xy, what is the answer? 1xy. So no need to write down that 1, so the answer is xy. Plus sign in between. Now solve this second bracket. 16z minus 9z, the answer is 7z, correct? So what is the answer? xy plus 7z. Hope you are clear with this. So this is the answer. If you will do it in the vertical arrangement, same answer you will get. Okay, so once again we will see this sum. In the first step we are written both the algebraic expressions in a bracket and in between minus sign. In the second step we will remove the brackets and only the signs will change for the second bracket, that is 3xy minus 16z. So 3xy, here it is minus sign and minus it becomes plus. So minus 3xy plus 16z. Okay, now in the third step we will write down like terms together with their signs. 4xy minus 3xy together and plus 16z minus 9z together. Okay, now we will solve these brackets. 4xy minus 3xy, that is 1xy. So no need to write down that 1. You can directly write down xy. Plus in between and 16z minus 9z. We will solve the second bracket. 16z minus 9z, the answer is 7z. So the answer is xy plus 7z. Okay. So here we have completed first sum. If we will do this sum in vertical arrangement, you will get the same answer, that is xy plus 7z. So today we will stop till here. In the next session we will start with the next sum. Thank you so much.